Anywho, hey, I'm Nina, and I do art stuff and things, so about the birds, they won't be here for the whole video, promise. We're filming outside because the light is good, and I have a dog to look after, so let's go. So I finished this sketchbook and I thought I'll show you what's in it. There are a lot of tutorials that I followed on YouTube, and I'll link all of the channels that I've used down below in the description. The main one is Generani, which is all of these ones here. I do love that reef. And it taught me quite a lot, especially with loose florals, because I had no idea before, and that's what I kind of did with it. I incorporated loose I can't even say it, florals into a portrait. That was the other dog. She will keep coming back because she wanted to play. Can you blame her? We're outside and the weather's nice. These are other tutorials that I did. They were surprisingly easy to follow. I would highly recommend, if you're stuck for something to do, to just jump on YouTube and do a tutorial. You will create, you'll learn something new, and who knows what skills and ideas you'll get for future. That was my last portrait in the 30 Faces in 30 Days series. It took me 6 months. I moved in the process, so I blame some of that, but also I'm not good at timelines. This abstract painting is me having a go at the super granulating paints because, well, I bought them, they were expensive, and I don't use them. Yeah, that leaf is just something my neighbour gave me. It was weird and I painted it. It was fun. Then that's another tutorial. These are my lettuces. Lettuce B. Get it? No? Okay, let's move on. Those are failed. I tried to do some sunflowers and I failed. But I figured out how to paint leaves using angle brush, and that's me practicing those, and here as well. And then I did a tutorial a while back. I'll link it somewhere here. It's fun. And then I did a tutorial by another artist on how to do realistic rose, and that was the result. Obviously I took it in a very different direction, and I have prints of this if anyone's interested. Portraits. I did the one on the right a while back, and now let's take a break. Okay, back to the portraits. The one on the left I did a while ago, the one on the right I did recently, and I tried to be a bit quicker and more expressive, and I think I achieved it. Again, tutorial, and I tried to do a portrait in a different manner to what I normally do, and it's a bit of a fail. If you can tell who it is, let me know in the comments. Yes, again, I did this tutorial. It nearly caused me to quit, but then I had a lot of indigo left, so I did this little skull because, you know, skulls are fun. I have no idea what's going on here. Obviously I was having a moment or two, and probably just trying out my super granulating paints again and trying to figure out what to do with them. This skull I did for a video. I had a completely different idea of what it's going to be, but that's what it ended up as. I don't hate it, I actually quite like it. That is actually a painting of a real reef that I made with some friends as a fun Christmas activity, and then I painted it, and I was going to do a video about it, but things have transpired, life happened, and the video never did. And then early this year I started getting back into painting, and when in doubt, paint clouds or repaint an old painting or do a tutorial, which is what these are. This one and that one, I've thought I'll do it again because I didn't quite like the location of it. And then this was a video. I'll link the video below. Yay doggy, I combined these clouds and that background into a tutorial of how to paint abstract clouds like these. I will add a link somewhere. This video is going to have a lot of links, And then these are some experiments I did with masking fluid and some watercolor ink and some taping to paint trees. Yeah, hopefully there will be a lot more fun things in the future. But that is it for this sketchbook. Yeah, by the way, watercolor inks leak a lot everywhere. Look at it, all the way through the sketchbook. Anywho, that's the sketchbook tour done, and I'm off to play with the dog. Hope you liked the video. See you again sometime soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!